2 settings, jam and jelly. 1000 watts of power, cooks in under 30 minutes. Non-stick interior pot surface. Automatic stirring paddle for consistent results. Pot, paddle, and lid are dishwasher safe. Makes about 4 half-pints of jams or jellies. Recipe book included. Recommended to clean the heating plate with a damp cloth in between use. Treat your family to delectable fresh fruit preserves and spreads with a Ball freshTECH automatic jam and jelly maker. Create jams, jellies, marmalades, and more conveniently at home in just 30 minutes. Instead of the traditional time-consuming large batch canning method, the user-friendly automatic jam and jelly maker can make small batches. Top reviews from the United States. Best purchase of 2022. I don't submit many reviews, but felt compelled to let anyone who makes jellies and jams know what a game changer this is. It was so easy to assemble. The instructions were clear and I made 3 batches of strawberry jam today. It was the best jam I have ever made. The cook time was perfect, no overcooked taste, and it gelled perfectly. One batch yielded 5 half-pint jars. If you are thinking that's a small amount, consider it only takes 21 minutes per batch. And even as slow as I am these days, I was done in less than 2 hours for the 3 batches, including preparing jars, berries, cooking, water bath processing and cleanup. And speaking of cleanup, I was very impressed with the lack of the mess I normally make and have to deal with. It was so easy. I am very happy with this little appliance, to say the least. If you have wondered about this automatic jam and jelly maker, I would encourage you to try it for yourself. To summarize, it is easy to use, easy to clean, and takes the guesswork out of cooking times.